I'm Inova from Spain. I'm right now living in Bangalore, and before coming to India, I knew that St. Francis Xavier was here, so I had a big desire to come and visit. And then I knew about this whole special month, and so I'm coming here to visit because he's a very dear saint to me and to us back in Spain. There are very great saints, both St. Francis Xavier and also St. Ignatius. And so, of course, we come here with great joy because he's someone that we can really follow, even though if we find that the distance and the time is so big. Instead, in faith, we are also close. So I'm really happy to be here, and I will be asking a special blessing for India, for the faith to keep on growing and growing, because I see that the faith here is very alive, which makes me happy. So thank you for organizing all this, and it's a great opportunity for us, and let's keep close, Spain and India.